Welcome back to this video. This is another interesting about Google Chrome split screen, and in today's video I will show you on how to split your screen in Google Chrome browser for multitasking and best performance browsing experience with your Chrome browser. Let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Chrome browser. So with that being said, let's get started. Right, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right there, click on this three dots right here, and this is going to drop down. Then scroll it down to extension. Then under extension, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right there. Simply click on extensions right here. Then you have to come to the top right there. Under search extension and theme, simply type in split screen. So split screen for Google Chrome. Click on that. So it's going to take you to this particular extensions right here. So as at the time of making this video, this extension here is at about 300,000 active user. You can scroll down and read detail about the extension. Click on see more right there and read detail about the extension. Install our extension, which is the first step right there. Click on the extension icon. Then choose the layout ratio you wish to use for this split screen extension. Our software will split screen and display the browser into the split screen ratio you selected. It's that simple. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and add the Chrome and add this particular split screen into the Chrome extension. And for us to do that, we come to the top right there, click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add Extension. So after a successful add extension, we can simply click on close this tab right here. Now we have successfully added the extension into our Chrome browser. Now let's see how we can use this extension to split screen of our Chrome browser. So first things first, we have to come to the top right there, click on your extensions right here. And this is going to pop up. Then next thing you need to do is to look for the extension right here. We have split screen Chrome extension. Click on it to pin it into the taskbar. Now, what we want to do next is to come to the top right here. We can simply create a new tab now. Then after create a new tab, we can simply come to the top right there. From the extension right there, click on split screen from Chrome. So here, how do you want your Chrome layout to look like? You can decide to split into 2 or split into 3 or split into 4. It depends on how you want your Chrome browser to split. So I'm going to choose 2 right here. So take a look at it. Now you have 2 split of different tab right here, just like what you see right there, tab 1 and tab 2, which allow you to browse in the 2 tab right here. So you can come here and decide to look for another thing right here and check for how to use Google Chrome right here. Enter. Then you have one result right here. You can also come here and see how to and check how to make PAR in Nigeria. Hit enter. Then you have another result right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to split your Google Chrome browser screen for multitasking without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.